Welcome to Parsimony, where managing your stock has never been easier. In this video, we'll be exploring the stock function, which allows you to manage your inventory efficiently. I'll guide you through creating a stock entry, step by step. Let's get started. To access the stock module, simply click on the stock menu on the top navigation bar. This will take you to the stock dashboard, where you can view and manage your inventory. Once in the stock module, click on the stock entry under Stock Transactions. To create a new stock entry, click on the Add Stock Entry button. This will open a new form where you can enter the details of your stock transaction. Here, you can see the stock entry form where you can input details about the stock transaction you want to make. First, select the type of stock entry you want to create. In this case, we'll choose Material Receipt, which means we're receiving new stock into our warehouse. Also, select the company. Next, enter the details of the stock you're receiving. Choose the warehouse where you're storing the stocks. The source warehouse and target warehouse. Select the item code from the drop-down list, and enter the quantity. You can also select from the list of available items by clicking on the scan barcode. If you're receiving multiple items, you can add them to the stock entry by clicking the Add Multiple button. Simply repeat the process for each item, and they'll be added to the stock entry. Once you have filled in all the necessary information, click on the Save button and hit Submit to record the stock entry in the system. Parsimony will then update your inventory levels accordingly. You can view the saved stock entry by clicking on the stock entry list. Here, you can see all the details of the stock entry, including the item ID, purpose, and status. That's it. You've successfully created a stock entry in Parsimony. With this feature, you can easily manage your inventory and keep track of your stock levels. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.